These are 7 important things to know before changing your spark plugs. Number 1, make sure you have the right spark plug for your specific vehicle. Manufacturers might have a recommended brand, but you can use any brand as long as designed with fit and functions for your vehicle. Number 2, handle with care. Even though they work in an extreme environment, they're fragile. If you drop them on a hard surface, this ceramic part can crack, cause a spark short to ground right here. Number 3, if your vehicle spark plug has a flat base, then it's going to require a washer. Make sure it's installed. Or if it has an angle base, then it doesn't require a washer. Number 4, check or set the spark plug gap right here. Set it to your vehicle manufacturer gap specification. Sometimes the spark plug manufacturer might have their own gap specification, but if in doubt, set it to the vehicle manufacturer gap specification. Number 5, make sure there's no oil around the spark plug area. Especially if you have a cylinder head with the center spark plugs, the oil might collect and cause an engine misfire. Number 6, make sure the engine is at surrounding temperature. Do not change the spark plug with the engine hot. And number 7, torque the spark plug to the vehicle manufacturer specification. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.